How's it going, subscribers? Today we're going to be talking about the company and the stock Bank of America, BAC. So as we can see, Bank of America, BAC, is at $30 right now. In the very short term, it hasn't really moved much. We got the 1 week chart showing it's increased at 1.39%. We got the 1 month chart, an increase in 7.49%. We got the 3 month chart sort of sideways at a 3.52 increase percentage. In a 1 year chart, only up 1.52%, which is not really good. And then the 5 year tells a different story. The 5 year tells us that it's up 85%. This is very good. And we seem to have made a huge jump from 2016 all the way to 2018, and then just kind of started lagging from there. Now, when we look at the volume's at 18 million. We got the average volume at 64 million. Market cap at 287.34 billion, which is a lot. Got the PE ratio looking healthy. Got the dividend yield, very healthy dividend with 2.192% yield interest. And when you got the 52-week highs at $31, close to $32, and the 52-week lows at $22.66. So we're actually sort of towards the highs right now. When we look at the news, we know that there isn't really any major news with Bank of America when it comes to the short term. Now, when you look at the analysts, among the 30 analysts, 53% are saying it's a buy, 47% are saying it's a hold, 0% are saying it's a sell. And CEO Brian Moynihan has slowly repaired years of damage while mostly staying out of the headlines. Bank of America is poised to succeed as a provider of retail banking and wealth management services on a nationwide scale. Many of Bank of America's past problems were a result of poor capital allocation decisions. The company's size is now too big to make material acquisitions, along with increased regulatory scrutiny reduces this risk going forward. Now, what do the haters have to say? The haters, when it comes to Bank of America, what they're essentially saying is that Bank of America has been cutting expenses for years, and low-hanging fruit in this realm has been picked. A financial institution of this size and complexity is inherently unmanageable. It's even possible that regulators might decide to break up the company. Digital competitors are nipping at the heels of traditional branch banks, and banks with their extra profitability are back on offense as competition heats up and the credit cycle turns. Return seems to have only one direction to go: down. Now, when we look at the Morningstar, what did the Morningstar have to say? What they're essentially saying is that the expense control amid continued investments in the franchise remain key for Bank of America. They give it a 3-star rating out of 5. Economic moat very wide. We got the fair value at $33. So if you're going to buy BAC, they're recommending you to sell it at $33 at a fair value price. Uncertainty high, stewardship standard. Got the earnings per share at the positive range, and it's looking healthy, slowly increasing over time. Got the volatility low. And when we look at we know that the CEO, Brian T., the company's headquartered Charlotte, founded in 1904 and employs 204,000 people. Bank of America is a multinational banking and financial services corporation headquartered in Charlotte, North Carolina. It has retail banking footprint that serves approximately 46 million consumer and small business relationships. The name for BAC is Bank of America Corporation. There you guys have it. Thank you guys for watching. Smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and see you guys next time.